How are you guys feeling? Accomplished?
I gotta lean it back, lean it down and get the training.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but that's why I did it that way. You still can tighten up the motor mount bolts.
I'm losing it.
We tighten up on the motor mount bolts.
Then we can lean it down.
Yeah, then we'll lean it down. That's why I put that in the back. To make it easy to put the tranny in too.
The only thing, yeah, but there's only one problem.
What?
Gotta move those horses.
Yeah,
They're in
boys.
my way. See, I put the horses back up in the front here, then put the jack underneath the engine, and then I can bring it up to where I want to put the transmission. Because right where the horses are is where I got to be. So let's lock up the motor, lean it down, take out the horse.
Let's lock up the motor, put the fuel